Gonna be here in like a minute, so when the train gets here I will start recording again once I get to Penn or to the train to the Apple store. So I'm about to head out.
Video while we walk.
This is a video.
Oh. Hey guys, so China invited me to go at the 5th Avenue release. Well, grand opening actually. Remodeling and shit. Line was crazy from like 8 o'clock this morning. Still crazy, like now.
He's clearly upbeat because he went this morning.
Yeah, I went this morning. That shit was crazy. Went just now. I told her. She come, like 10 o'clock. I'm like, oh, I'm going in. Fuck out of here. Nah, you're not. 3-hour wait.
This is everybody. They're gone. They're walking. Where's Zanae? Zanae's in the cut. Over there on the phone. Her usual.
Yeah, we live in lavish. We live in lavish. We walk in the city. We don't take...
Hey guys, so this is the line for the Apple store and I am baffled right now that it's this long. It's insane. It's a 3-hour wait before you even put your name down. Like, this is sick. Look at it, look at it, look at it. I cannot. So we're about to do another plan. I'm not going to be able to go in today, but I definitely will come back and see the new remodeling of the Apple store at a different date, probably when it's not this crazy. And there's 2 sections of this actually. There's another section down there. Just insane. So sorry about that, but watch my unboxing video and I will be showing you guys all the features of the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro. Today, this is gonna be part 2 of me heading to the Apple store. I finished off earlier my unboxing of the iPhone 11. I'm recording this whole entire vlog on the iPhone 11. I want to show you guys the quality of the camera along with showing you guys the new Apple store remodeling on 5th Avenue. Fingers crossed. I'm hoping that the line is not as crazy as it was on Friday, so just bear with me. Please bear with me if it is, but yeah, fingers crossed. Excuse me. I'm so happy we got it. We got to see the new design. so as you can see, I got into the Apple store. The store is amazing. It got a lot bigger. I'm actually in their Apple Home section, so I'm gonna show that around. But overall, you guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what you saw, and I hope this really helps you to figure out if you want to upgrade or not upgrade. Definitely come check out the Apple store on 5th. It's really, really nice. It's a lot going on, but it's very, very nice. So thank you again for watching.